Hello all, welcome to Codeforces round 995, Division 3. We are solving problem B, journey. So in this problem, Monocarp decided to embark on a long hiking journey. He decided that on the first day he would be walking A kilometers, on the second day he would be walk B kilometers, and on third day C kilometers. Then in cyclic order, on the fourth day it will be A kilometers again, fifth day B again, and on sixth day C kilometers again. So and this will continue. So Monocar will complete his journey on the day when he has walked at least n kilometers in total. Our task is to determine the day on which Monocar will complete his journey. So total Monocar has to travel n kilometers, and what we need to say is on which day, that is first, second, third, fifth, whatever day it will be, the very first day on which he will be completing the nth kilometer journey. Okay. Now in input will be given n, a, b, c, and they can range to 10 to power 9. Okay, so this is a maths problem. So what we'll do is basically if we can easily calculate that how much, what is the modulus of a plus b plus c, because if because we have to deal with the modulus value. If value is very large, why we have to go again and again and again count a plus b plus c if we know that whatever the sum is, then modulus if we take and whatever the leftover value we have, and since we have ABC, three options are there, then we can easily subtract it from that number and easily tell that on which day it may lie. Okay, so that is the idea that I followed, that I've created a variable answer, and that answer is n divided by sum of ABC. So what this means is that if I have n as 15 kilometers and I have 1 2 3, 1 2 3, the sum will be 6. 15 divided by 6, that will be 2, so I will be having question 2, so answer will be having 2. So why 2? 2 will be have that once I have walked 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometer, then 3 kilometer, I will have 6 kilometers in 3 days. Then in 6 days I will be having 12 kilometers. So that is what I'll do is I will multiply answer by 3, because 3 into 3 will be making this just 1 2 3 days, and their quotient will be into multiplied into that number of times. So that is why this is initial work done. That now I'm done with this cyclic order. Now either a, subtracting a from the leftover will give me my answer, b or c, that will be giving me answer. So I don't have to concern about, because since it may be very large, so this will be do my job. I'm also taking n modulus the sum of ABC. Now I am left with the leftover values. Now what if my n is equals to 0? That means that, let us say 15 I was talking about. So let's say a is 1, b is 1, and c is 3. So if we see that 3 times, if we continue this cycle, because sum of 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5, and if we continue this 3 times, it will be 15. So on 15th, and so we don't have to continue with the leftover. So that is n divided by sum is 5, that will give me 3, and 3 into 3, that will be 9. So my answer will be 9 over here if when my modulus will be 0. Okay, simple. But what if my n is not 0, it is having some value? What I'll do is I quickly check that if subtracting a from my leftover, is it making it negative or equal to 0? If that's the case, answer plus 1 will be my answer, because I will work one more day, and on that day it will again start with a. So if I'm taking in account a, and if it is getting less than equal to 0, I'm done. In next day, let us assume if we are not satisfied, n is greater than, n minus a is greater than 0, then I will take another day also into account, and that will be b. So n minus a minus b is less than equal to 0, then answer plus 2 will be my answer, simply. But what if still it is greater than 0? Then I will take 3 into account, that I will add the third day also, and this will short give me that this will be set. Whatsoever the case, this will be following the condition that plus 3 will be my answer. Why? Because we are taking the model law of a plus b plus c, and we are subtracting a and b, then it will be short lying in this range, and so answer plus 3 will be my answer. So yeah, this was mainly sort of math problem, and you have to approach it like greedily for taking the calculation. So yeah, that was all that you have to do in this problem. So if you have any query, do comment it out. If you like the video, hit the like button, and do subscribe for more daily content. If you try this using pen and paper, you will be more clarified like how this is working. So yeah, that was all for this problem. Thank you.